Alright, day 3, backtesting every day until profitable. Let's just get right into it. Yesterday was pretty break even. Took some bad trades, took some good ones. Uh, let's look at the analytics. Up 7% right now. Still the win rate's not doing very well. 51% win rate. Not good. This is the chart. Yesterday I took 3 losses, 2 wins. I'm really not sure where these last ones came from, because I ended off green yesterday, so um, I'm not too sure. First of all, though, let's look at the charts this morning. Caught this incredible setup. So obviously, coming into the day, I had a little bit of a bullish bias, just because we were reacting off of this 4 hour originally. We had not disrespected it. We also had this unfilled 4 hour below that I did kind of want to see price come into, but we were just respecting this hourly so hard this morning. We got this little move up during pre-market. So it looked like we were going to be bullish, but then coming into the day, obviously, that didn't happen, and I wasn't married to my bias, so I was able to capitalize. So coming into the day, immediately, 1 minute, we opened up right here, created equal highs. Could have taken the 30-second play. I'm not paying for 30-second data yet. But I did see the 30-second play right here, opened up a 30-second fair value gap. You could have taken this play, drew to swing below, targeting these equal highs. But then after that, instead of coming in and inversing this 5 minute, we came up, we respected this 5 minute right here. And then I realized that we had all this, trend line liquidity down below, and that unfilled 4 hour fair value gap as well. So scaling down to the 1 minute, reacted off this 5 minute, respected it. Also reacting off this 1 minute, respecting. Marked out, perfect fair value gap. We also had an SMT. ES didn't come up and sweep these highs. So boom, bearish SMT. Also minor liquidity sweep of an internal high. Reacting off this 5 minute inversion. I got in right here. I had my stop above this distribution candle. Obviously, I knew we were going to come target these equal lows, but we also had this inside of this 15 minute, this low inside of this 15 minute. So obviously, there's a lot of stop losses under here, right? People are getting in off the reaction on this 15 minute. This is a 15 minute fair value gap. I know I'm on the 1 minute chart. So I targeted that. I went break even at these equal lows down here, and we flushed. Could have held, but I'm just getting my piece of the pie 1-to-1. This was also another good short. Gosh, I hate how my chart does that. This is also another good short. Came up, reacting off of this SMT right here. You could have taken the highest time frame inversion here. Would have been, I think we had a 4 minute open up. Yeah, we did. We had a 4 minute open up. So you could have got in on this candle right here. Not great distribution. You also could have gone in on the 1 minute. But right here, just gone for a 1-to-1. That would have banged right there. Another good trade as well. I liked that. So there were some good opportunities in the market today, but yeah, it was a good day overall. Took those on paper, and now let's get into the backtesting. All right, let's go to next New York session. Move drawings. 4 hour. What are we doing? respecting this 4 hour. Oh, body's closed below it. We actually disrespected this. We're going to retrace to the upside. In Q, we already did sweep out all these lows. So just to offer it, we have an SMT. Swept out all these lows on NQ, reacting off of this 4 hour fair value gap. So, I mean, we are clearly bearish, so I could see us keep displacing lower, coming towards this sell side and this sell side. Scale down. One hour, not really inside of anything. Today is Monday, so we do have a new week opening gap. Go on the 15 minutes. What am I doing? We also created equal lows down here as well, so we're definitely gonna want to come down for that. So kind of am bullish. I mean bearish. Sorry, but we do have equal highs as well. Could see us respecting off of this 1 hour, coming up, taking out these equal highs as well as this liquidity right here. Gosh, let me get that. Okay. What else do we have? This was 615 candle. We came out and swept. We failed to sweep it on NQ. So, do have an SMT. So, I do want to see us come fill this new week opening gap at some point. I don't know if we'll get it today. We just opened up a 15-minute. So I could see us either disrespecting this 15-minute, coming out for these equal highs, or still respecting it, wicking up, taking out these equal highs as well. So we shall see. Kind of a neutral bias for today. I just kind of want to see what price ends up doing. Do have London low. Yeah, I mean, I am pretty bearish now, especially with this new week opening gap. So let's see what price does. Come up, tap into this 15-minute. We're going to invalidate it. Looks like, yep, we invalidated it. Inverse of a 15-minute. Looks like we're coming up for these highs. Which I could see. Tap back into the 5. Nothing opened up. Or you do have a slight 2-minute. We inverse that. Change state of delivery. Equal highs as well. I mean, this just isn't something I would take, but it could play out. Chop, chop. Kind of just chopping. Come back down to that 5. Consequent encroachment of the 5. And wow. Huge wick down. Disrespecting it. Still reacting off this 5. Disrespecting the 15 minute. We're just leaving these equal highs, it looks like, which I don't like to see. I think we're going to come back up for them. Relative equal lows down here. Kind of just stuck in the middle of this range, so those are equal lows. Still respecting the 5. Swept out this liquidity. Could see us deliver higher. Still reacting off this 5. Didn't disrespect it. Gaps held. Bodies held consequent encroachment. 1 minute inversion. Yeah, I mean, I'm just not too. I'm not going to take this, but could probably honestly hold this up to here. Stops below this. Yeah, no, I'm not taking this. Disrespect. Now we come play. Now it comes and plays out. Stops below here. Would have validated our trade still. I would have gone break even up at this high. So it would have been a break even trade. Now we came out though. We took out these highs. Inverse this 5 minute. You can look for a slight pullback. We get a pullback into the 1 minute. CISD. I wouldn't take this, but you could. Not really playing out. Not too much. Not a great price action day, and then eventually we come for these London lows after inversing this 5 minute down. Yeah, I'm not taking anything today. Still reacting off of this 4 minute. Trending high. I mean, 4 hours, sorry. Trending higher. Delivering from this 4 hour. Invalidating this 4 hour. Bearish SMT right here. I'm not gonna mark it out. 1 hour. Respecting this hourly gap. Inverse. Yeah, I don't have too clear of a bias for the day. I mean, we're still just trending inside of this 4 hour for value gap. Minute, reacting off of this. 15 minutes. Inverse it. SMT. So we could deliver from that 15 minute. We might want to come take out New York PM highs. Yeah, I don't know. Not too much that I'm seeing here. Kind of tricky price action, to be honest. Still delivering higher. See what price does on market open. Just shot up. Equal highs on ES. Reacting off this 5 minute. I like shorts. No, maybe equal highs. I can't take shorts. You could look for a 5-minute retracement though. I mean, of this whole move, could come into discount. Body held that 5 minutes. Looks like we're going to come take out these equal highs. We do. Fail to on NQ. SMT. Trend into this 5 minute. Respect it. Price creates nothing. Gonna come up and sweep these highs now. Now we're looking like we're trending towards New York PM. Like to see a 5 minute retracement. Price doesn't give us much at all. Still delivering off of nothing. Come out, take out New York PM highs. SMT continue to deliver higher. And we just shot up. Coming for this buy side. Price is still not opening up any 5 minute fair value gaps. Could see a retracement is 15. Nothing. Yeah, once again, I'm not taking anything. We did have news. Should have kept that in mind. I didn't see it. It's kind of hard with to see everything on the chart with having ES open as well. But came up, sweeps out these highs. On the 4 hour, displacing higher inside of a huge 4 hour fair value gap. SMT probably could see a retracement lower. Unfilled 4 hour. Unfilled 4 hour. That definitely lines up a discount of the range as well. Yeah. Unfilled 4 hour right here. And then obviously same thing down here. Unfilled 4 hour. Discount the range down low. I'm bearish. 1 hour. Invalidated this 1 hour. Could get a push up higher. Yeah. Still respecting the hourly on the ES. 15 minute. Reacting off of this 15 minute. Not reacting off of anything on this. Equal highs. I don't assume us leaving this. Yeah, we came out, took it out. We get a retracement back into a 5 minute immediately off market open. Get a push higher. Taking out this. What are we reacting off of? Still nothing. We're going lower. It looks like we're going to inverse. Nope, we're going to respect these 5 minutes. There we go. Now we get the inverse. Now you can look for a slight retracement. If we get one, we get one into this 1 minute. On the 5 minute, you get nothing. Still nothing. What is this PA, man? The last couple days. Not taking out any lows. Still have this low right here that I think we'd like to come down to. We inverse that 15 minute. Wow, what am I? What? Like, this price action just makes no sense to me, to be honest. Now we get a retracement into this 5 minute down here. 1 minute. We just created a 4 minute. I mean, RR is not going to be there. Get an inverse, still reacting. Inverse this. Risk to reward is just not there on this for me, but you could take something like this up to these highs and gets just destroyed. I just don't like this price action at all. Price opens up. What do? We manipulate higher, take out these highs. No fair value gaps get created. Man, it's just not great price action. I don't know what's going on. What month are we in right now? It's March. We're in April. I'll tell you what, I am not enjoying April price action. But we came down into these unfilled 4 hours, reacting off of this unfilled 4 hour. Bullish. I do like this setup. I like this. Do like this. Same thing, reacting off of this 4 hour. Tapping into an hourly right now. I'm bullish. Price opens up. News. Every time the news gets me. I mean, I miss it every time. Probably just going to displace lower. News created equal highs. Relative equal highs. Swept out all this. tap into this 5 minute. 1 minute inversion. Do we have clear draws on liquidity below? We do. This 15 minute down here. Highest time frame was the 1 minute. I do like this. I'll short this. Stops above these highs. Targeting this. Liquidity pool. Break even here. We are respecting this 15 minute though. We are respecting this 15 minute. I still see us pushing lower. This one will probably just be a quick break even trade. My goodness. Already gonna move stops to break even. Break even. Now we're probably gonna flush. We flushed. I mean, I'm not upset. Break even trade's still a good trade, so just didn't get the delivery I wanted. I wasn't confident in us respecting this 15-hour minute, but I should have realized that we probably did want to take out this low-hanging fruit. Respecting this 15 minute. Now that we took this out, tapping into this unfilled 4-hour as well. Could see a reaction. Could see a reaction higher if we want to go tap into a unfilled 15. Respecting this 5. I mean, we do have this pool of liquidity right here. Get a retracement into this 5. See what happens with these 1 minutes. Alright, let me. Come on. Would have played out. I just completely missed it. Get this 1 minute inversion. Targeting this low. Break even. Flush. I would have taken that for sure. I did like that delivery. And now I could just see us pushing lower. We're actually going to respect that 5. Respect this 15. Get a move lower. Respect that 15 minute. Yeah. Four-hour, we're in a huge downtrend. God, these really need to. I need to figure out a way to fix that. Left out liquidity. Bullish now. Disrespecting 4-hour gaps. ES is trading inside of this 4-hour. We are also trading inside this 4-hour. Major draw on liquidity up here. It's a high inside of the fair value gap that hasn't been taken out yet. On the 1-hour, huge 1-hour fair value gap that we're holding. Again, same thing. 1-hour fair value gap that we're holding. Unmitigated hourly's down here. Consumer consumption, core personal consumption. We have news. News, I can see it's either sweeping this low inside of this fair value gap, displacing off of it. We have equal highs above, so news could probably just come take out this. That's exactly what happens. We get a sweep of all of these highs. This is equal highs as well. I assume price is just going to keep trading up. Nothing on the 5-minute. Came out and take these lows. I do like to see that. Now I can see us displace higher towards this data high. We're going to open up a 3. Even a 4 actually. Inversion. I like this. Targeting data highs. Go break even here. Yeah, I like this. Wow. Trade idea still isn't invalidated, but now it looks like we're going to come down for these lows and we're going to leave data highs. Yeah, man, I really thought we would have wanted to come up to data highs, but we're going to sweep out this low instead. Tap into consequent encroachment of the hourly. Then you get a push up. Strong distribution off of this. Disrespecting. Now we're going to come up for these data highs, no doubt. I think we're just going to flush. if we do want these data highs, we're going to come for them. Right here, go break even. Oh my god. I need to relax. All we wanted to do is come sweep out this low. If I would have had my stop down below this, just targeted a 1-to-1, I bet this will play out. Break even and data highs. Okay. I just need to keep this in mind and just understand that my stop loss needs to be in a better position. I mean, I could have expected us coming down to sweep out these lows, maybe getting a reaction to this fair value gap before using it as leverage to push us higher. So, I mean, the trade idea was right. Bad stop loss and just bad execution, to be honest. I mean, I should have just been more patient, especially with this 5-minute, waiting for us to tap into consequent encroachment. So, not terrible, but definitely not good. Failed to take him out on ES. What do you get now? You get a tap back. Can we react off anything? No, we're not getting a tap back into anything. We're going to come out for these highs now. The trade idea was there. I just didn't play it correctly. Not a good stop loss. Something to learn from. Stop loss wasn't protected. I need to not be emotional or upset by any of this. I just need to understand that I need to figure out a better position for my stop loss moving forward. I think we're going to want to come out for this high now. Inside the 4-hour. Unfilled 4-hour right here. We could come down lower and come take out this. I'm really just going to look at ES on these lower time frames. Hourly. No weak open gap. So I could see us coming down, sweeping out this, as well as tapping into this unfilled 4-hour. We got to sweep these internal highs. Respecting this 15-minute right here. No inversion yet. Still respecting this 15-minute. Tap into this 5. Might want to get a deeper retrace. Opened up nothing. Equal lows. Longs are off the table. There we go. Took out the equal lows. Consequent encroachment. Yes. And we're respecting the 5-minute still. We're coming back down to this 15-minute. Still respecting the 5. We're going to want to come out for these lows. Another 5-minute right there. Let's see. Probably going to want to come sweep out these lows. We do. All while respecting this 5-minute. Open up a 5-minute fair value gap. I want to see this be inversed. Boom. Immediate inversion. You could look for this 1 minute. Wait for that 1 minute, but Should be no need. This 5-minute holds way more power than us reacting off of that 1 minute. Stops just immediately down at the head. Equal highs. Not too many opportunities to go break even. Another example of me not putting my stop loss in the correct spot. Put your stop loss down below this swing low, and the trade plays out. So that's frustrating, but I have to learn, you know. I've got to learn. So my stop loss below this distribution just isn't right. I mean, this is a prime example of the trade's not invalidated until our stop loss is the invalidation point of the trade, and our trade isn't invalidated until we come sweep out this low. So it's unfortunate. Let's get in the routine of taking one trade a day, so we're moving on. We're moving on. 4 hour definitely came up into this 4 hour. I'd like to see us come take out this high. Reacting off of this 4 hour, not inside anything. Still not inside anything. 15 minute, still not inside anything. London low, or we are actually, no, we inverse that 15 minute. So could get a Judas swing off open, come take out this low before displacing higher. I really do think that we're gonna come and keep going higher to target. Target this high inside of this fair value gap, this 4 hour fair value gap. So really do think that that is the play. Crazy swing low though on the 4 hour. And we have this low inside the 4 hour. So we're either gonna want to come for this low or target that high. I just want to see how price reacts off market open. Trading inside of this 5 minute. We did not have news. That was just the actual open. And we came for this high. I mean this low. Inside of this 4 hour. Tap into this 5 minute. Highest time frame inversion is the 3 minute. Respecting Disrespected the 3-minute. Could take continuation shorts. Relative equal lows on the 4-hour. Probably just going to want to come target this liquidity pool down here. What else do we have? Any unfilled 4-hour lower? No. But we do have this swing low inside of this 4-hour down here that I think is probably our main draw in liquidity. So you could hold for a 1-to-1, or what else do we have? Unfilled 15 down here, and then we have that's not respecting anything. Yeah, that low down there is prime draw in liquidity, to be honest. Go break even at this low. It looks like we wanted to retrace higher and come sweep out this 5-minute. Stopped out. Why is it not stopping me out? What is going on? What are we doing? I entered down here. Alright, I gotta go back. There's no way it closes me out down 1,000. It was a good play. Not mad at it. But we did get a liquidity sweep. So just some stuff I gotta keep in mind. I like the trade. Not bad. So I'm not terribly upset with that loss. I would like if it would let me bar replay though. Anything? Alright, it stopped me out at my actual fill price. I'm just not on it today. Alright, bearish on the 4-hour. Disrespecting all these lows. Sell side draw. Do we have news today? Employment change, not too much. PMI at 10 a.m. Still delivering from this hourly. Holding this hourly. We have this high inside of this 4-hour. Price could want to come up into. Delivering from a 15-minute. Five-minute inside the 15-minute. Immediately, we're coming up. Took out London highs. Failed to. Opened up a 5-minute. We want nothing to do with a retracement into this 5. Retraced into the 5. Respected it. Not really any higher time frame inversions. Tiny 2 minutes. Reacting off of this 15 as well. Delivering from a 15. Drawing liquidity higher would just be Asian highs. Which is on both indexes. Looks like we could want to come up into. Barely inversed. Still opening up. 4-minute actually. Respecting. Probably gonna want to come take out this swing low now. Did get a V-shaped inversion, which I like. Could have taken this short. Respecting off of this 4-minute. V-shaped inversion to the downside. This would have been a good trade. Triple top equal. Okay, now I like this. Now I've got a clear draw higher. Tapped into a 30-minute. Same thing right here. Tapped into the 30. I need to see price open up something though, you know, like we get this 1-minute inversion, pretty clear draw. We do have a 2-minute. The 1-minute could have been enough. I'd like to see this 2-minute good. Good thing we didn't take that. Swept out that low inside the 30-minute. Opening up absolutely nothing. Still sweeping that low. We get 2 minutes. Triple top equal highs. I like the draw. Just need to understand what's going on. We're still reacting. 30-minute. I mean, our bias is kind of just lower, but we haven't opened up absolutely anything to retrace lower. Do get a 2 minute. 2 minute respection. 2 minute inverse. Not delivering from anything higher. It's just not really. That is a protected low. Go break even here. Stop loss would need to be all the way down at the swing low. Break even. Close me out. There we go. Okay. Okay. What am I seeing? We rejected back. Now we probably are gonna flush. Opened up nothing. Still opened up nothing. Edged the TP. Still nothing. And TP gets hit. I like the break even point. Just a break even trade. Especially since this was data highs. I should have noticed that. Went break even here. I would have liked this. This would have played out. We'll do one more. Today's just not the day. Not trading very well. Not low focused. We could have had a couple successful trades if our stop loss was placed in the right position. Break even point as well. It could have been. We're just not on it today. So reacting off of this 4 hour. Both of these 4 hours have been hit. This was data. This is FOMC. Data high. So we look bearish, but I do kind of see us coming to take out this data high. But we'll see. Do have an hourly unfilled down here. Same thing with this 15-minute. I'd like to see us come take out that low. Bang. Reacting off of this 15-minute. Consequent encroachment. Kind of relative equal lows, to be honest. I would need to see us get a huge change in steady delivery. Honestly, inverse this 15-minute if we're going to be bullish. We do. Inverse all of this. But I'm not entering off that alone. I need to see a 5-minute retracement. Now it looks like we're going to come sweep this low. We don't. On either index. There we go. Now we get a sweep of the low. Man, I'm just too concerned with my bias, you know? I could have seen this liquidity sweep, right? I could have seen the inverse of the 4-minute. There's a lot that I'm missing right now, so still could trade down into this unfilled hourly, which we do. We trade down to the hourly, sweep of London lows on both indexes. It's kind of the only thing I could see us happening is just reacting off of this 5-minute. I mean, hourly. So now it's just a matter of seeing this inverse this. We could tap into it. Come sweep out this low that took out, that tapped into the hourly. Equal highs. We don't tap into it. We get a sweep of the lows. Inverse this 5 minutes. No, we don't. Tap back into this hourly. Gonna want to come for these lows. There. Now we get a sweep of the lows. It's getting a little late into session. We left these equal highs above though. We get an inversion of this 5 minutes. Scale down. Tap back into this 1 minute. Tap into the 5. Inverse the 5. Inverse all of this. One-minute retracement. Change in state of delivery. That was kind of an FU long. Really didn't follow my setup there. But played out. I don't like that trade. Deeper retracement into that 5 minutes. V-shaped inversion. Could have taken that. Get the 1-minute displacement. I'm not taking this, but I just want to see. Stops right here. 1-to-1. Yeah, that would have played out. Alright. Let's do one more. PMI. Took out data highs. Failed to take out data highs. Inside of a 4 hour. Inside of a 4 hour. Inside of an hourly. Inside of an hourly. Left this high. Left this high. Delivering out of a 15-minute already. Protected high. Inverse this 5-minute. Data comes up and just takes out everything. Double news day. Not ideal. Looking for a way deeper retracement than that. Yeah, this is just a double red folder news day. I'm not even attempting to trade that. Still reacting off of a 4 hour. We're slowly trending upwards. Unfilled 4 hour. Same thing. Unfilled 4 hour. Like to see price come into this. We've still been trending up. And just being realistic here, unfilled 4-hour is 200 points away. We did take out all these highs. I mean, to take shorts, I would just need to see a pretty crazy retracement down into the 5-minute or on any time frame. Serious displacement lower, which I just don't think we're gonna get today. We're still holding this 5. Holding this 15-minute as well. One-minute inversion. Trade back down to the 15 minutes. How do you like that? Flipped out that low. 5-minute does not respect. Still are respecting this slight 5-minute though. Same thing, inversion. Take out these highs and then bang, we're dumping. Respecting. Looking for a push higher. Any draws in liquidity? None. Still just ranging. 4-hour death candle. No 5-minute retracements. This is May price action now. We actually did retrace off this 5-minute. Open up a 3-minute. Inverse to 5. Tap down to the 15. Use that to deliver higher. Still respecting. 3-minute inspection. Just not opening up anything. We left the 15-minute unfilled. Three-minute inversion. Not really any reason for us to go lower. Price is still stuck on this 1-minute though. Now you get the 1-minute inversion. Now you can go longs, targeting this high. We did take out the highs on ES. which I don't like. This is a tough day, so tap into this 4 minutes. It's already 10:45 in the day. I'm not trading anymore. What is this price action? I mean, this was all day. This was all day. You did get a, like at 9:30 open, we manipulate off this high, we tap back into the 15-minute, right? So I could have taken this. How did I miss this? How in the world did I miss this? I'm not on it. Still inside this 4 hour. Probably want a retracement to discount. Same thing. Probably want a retracement to discount. Delivering off a 15-minute. I'd like to see us come take out this high, respect this 15-minute, and then you could target lower. There we go. Alright, we took out this 15-minute high, right? So, I like this. Took out this high inside this 15-minute. Now we go in the 5-minute. You're looking for some sort of maybe inverse, I don't know. Take out all these highs, continue climbing. Minute gets inversed. We get a tap into a 15-minute. Nothing. Nothing. Price opened up down here. Reaction off of a 5. Highest time frame inversion. 4-minute. We would have flushed. I'm just not seeing this. I don't know why I'm missing good trade opportunities. So it's very tough. Tap into the 15-minute. Bang. Okay. Looking at the 5. Price opens up nothing. 2-minute inversion. 3-minute opens up. Respect 3. Take out that high. 1 minute. I just still wouldn't trade this until I see this 3 minute get inversed. Nothing. Now the 3 minute gets inversed. Now you could look at taking a trade like this up to these highs. Nice. We get a tap back into a 3 minute. Also get a tap back into this 5 minute, which I like a lot. Tapping into the 5. Right back down into the 15. Just toying around in this 15. Five-minute V-shaped inversion, couldn't even take it. Now it's 10:30 a.m. Five-minute inversion. Flush. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off for the day. Just not ideal. A lot of losses. A lot of trades that could have been saved by just having a better stop loss. Down 1% on the day. I mean, it's just something. And we took 1, 2, 3, 4 straight losses. Just not great. Not a great day. Think about it. Bring it into tomorrow. Fix the stop loss position. And also just need to work on psychology. I mean, I could just feel myself already getting a little bit of like attached to the losses and attached to making sure I have a winning day or blah blah blah. Bad PA. Like I don't have to trade through bad PA. So just need to work on it. Think about it. Yeah, just got some things that we need to think about coming into tomorrow. So we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. What we're looking like tomorrow. Actual trading. Hopefully we have another good price action day like today. Seems like the markets are starting to loosen up a little bit. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But some stuff to work on, and I'll be back tomorrow for day 4. So.